Conversion of decimals to fractions. We know how to convert decimals into fractions. Let us consider some fractions and convert them in their decimal forms. First, look at the steps to convert a decimal into a fraction. As first, we count the number of digits after the decimal. Let it be p and write the fraction as given number without decimal point divided by 10 raised to the power p, and then reduce the fraction into simplest form. Let us look at some example. What is the fraction form of 6.5? As in 6.5, there is only one digit, that is 5, after the decimal. So the value of p is equal to 1. Hence we can write 6.5 as 65 by 10 raised to the power p, or 65 by 10 raised to the power 1. That is 65 by 10, which is equal to 13 by 2. Now what is the fraction form of 0.54? As in 0.54, there are two digits that are 5 and 4 after the decimal. So the value of p is equal to 2. Hence we can write 0.54 as 54 by 10 raised to the power p, or 54 by 10 raised to the power 2, that is 54 by 100, which is equal to 27 by 50. Similarly, we can write 0.9 as 9 by 10, 0.593 is equal to 593 by 1000, and 0.00243 is equal to 243 by 100,000. Now let us solve the given example. Show that 1.272727 and so on is equal to 1.27 bar can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Solution. Consider 1.272727 and so on equals to x. Since two digits are repeating, we multiply x by 100. We get 100x is equal to 127.2727 and so on. 100x is equal to 126 plus 1.272727 as 1.272727 and so on is equal to x. So 100x is equal to 126 plus x. Therefore 100x minus x is equal to 126. So x is equal to 126 by 99 is equal to 14 by 11. We can check the reverse of it, that is 14 by 11 is equal to 1.27 bar.